So, hello friends, today I am going to explain you one of the important topic of numerical analysis, that is called interpolation. For interpolation, it means we have to calculate polynomial when data set values is given, means corresponding values of y for given x, it's given. Now we have to calculate fx value. It's a reverse process what we did in graphical theory. So means data given and we have to find out means fx given and we have to plot the curve. For that we can calculate data points and then we plot. So now here data given and we have to find the polynomial, that is called interpolation. Means interpolating the data. Now, the which one required for interpolating? I think difference table. First, we have to know what is difference table. How many types of differences are there? So basically, we have to go for 3 types of differences. One is called forward, one is called backward, and third one is called central difference. I am going to create table for that, and I will explain you how we denote differences. So suppose we have one set of value x and corresponding value of y is given. So x and y given. Suppose the values of x is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, and corresponding values of y is given y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. So the first table which we are going to create, that is called forward difference. Which type? Forward difference table. So forward difference, how we denote? First I will explain you. Actually y1 minus y0, it is denoted by del y0. Then y2 minus y1, it is denoted by del y1. In that way, yn minus 1 denoted by del y1 minus 1. This is forward difference, first forward difference notation. For second, we go for del square y naught. I will explain this also. So del means first forward difference. So y1 minus y0 here, do by del y naught. y2 minus y1 means difference of these two. Del y naught is what? y1 minus y0. Similarly, y2 minus y1 will come here and divided by del y1. Here, y3 minus y2, it is given by del y2. Here, and here y6 minus y5, this is given by del y5. So see, here 6 data set of values are there. Now we have 5. In that way it will reduce. Now go for del square. Means second order. What is second? Difference of these two. Means del y1 minus del y0 divided by del square y0. For this, del square y1 is what? Del y2 minus del y1. In that way, we got what? Del y5 minus del y4, and we will denote by del square y5 or y4. Now we can go for del q, means third forward difference. It is difference of these two, means del square y0 minus del square y1. When you subtract, it will come del q. y1 minus del square y2 y0. In that way. In last, what is del cube y1? This is del cube y2 or del square y2 minus del square y1. What is del cube y2? This is del square y3 minus del square y2. In that way. Then we go for del square 4. So, what is del 4 y0? It is difference of these two. What is difference? Del cube y1 minus del cube y0. And in same way, we will go. So again I will explain. Suppose we have 6 data values. This is y values. Now take difference of these two, y1 minus y0, and denote this one by what? Del y0. y2 minus y0. y2 minus y1 denoted by del y1. And similarly you can find the difference of these two conjunctive numbers. Then go for del square, then go for del cube. Take differences. And finally we reach only one single value. And once it is reached, stop here. That is your forward difference table, how we create. And the most important thing, first value will play very important role. This will all come in picture in forward difference. So how you are calculating first value, it's very important. And it's of course it depends on remaining values. But take care, because this is most easiest thing. Now this is forward difference. Now I am going to explain you backward difference. Again table will be same, just notation will be changed. What is that? In backward difference, we denote this difference by del y1. This is del reverse del y2, and this is del y2. Difference is same, but we denote by different notation. This is del y1. This is del y2. This is del y3. This is del y6. Then what is del square? Del square means difference of these two. Del y2 minus del y1 will become del square y2. Here del y1 in that way. Then you calculate del cube. Then del 4. In last, what is it? y6 only. And in backward difference, we send focus on down values. Means y6, del y6, del square y6, del cube y6, del 4 y6. So hope you understand. Now I am going to explain next difference. What is that? That is called central. How we create central? Central means just notation change. This is divided by del 1 plus 0, 1 divided by 2. So center is half. This is what? Del y 3 by 2. This is what? 2n minus 1 by 2. Del. So y1 minus y0 we denote by first central difference del half. This is then 3 by 2 and so on. In this way you can define. So our main motto is what? Main motto is how we create difference table and which value will come in picture. Basically we are going to use in Newton's difference, Newton forward difference formula and Newton's backward, and then we will go for divide difference. Divide difference will come in last. So how we create difference table, you have to know. Once you know this all, it's easy for us to calculate. I am going to explain one question which is important. And question is how we calculate missing value using difference table. So it is very important how we calculate missing value. So wait for my next video. I'm going to explain this one. So hopefully you understand for difference table. Otherwise I'm going to explain with one example using for in this missing value using difference table, how we calculate. In that again I will explain you how we calculate difference table, how we create. And basically because I not explain with the example because I am going to do in every question. I am going to create table for each and every question, whatever formula I am going to use. So wait for my next video. Before that, please prepare, try to make a difference table. Thank you.